Which inequality is best represented by the graph? The first thing I notice about this inequality is that it has a dashed line. And I remember that dashed lines are always represented in inequalities by either less than or greater than. So if an answer choice has less than or equal to or greater than or equal to with a little dash underneath, I know that that answer cannot be correct. What I see in letter F is a less than or equal to sign, and so that means that that answer choice is wrong. Similarly, in H, I see less than or equal to, and so therefore H is also going to be incorrect. What I can do from here is I can take the two remaining answer choices and solve them for y so that I can graph the line in Desmos and match it with the one that's in the problem. For the first answer choice, letter G, I have 4x plus 7y is less than 49. In order to solve this for y, the first thing that we'll do is we'll subtract 4x from both sides. That will leave me with 7y is less than negative 4x plus 49. Then, in order to get y by itself, we will divide both sides by 7. And so this will give us y is less than negative 4x plus 49 divided by 7. Now, when we go to Desmos to graph this, we're not going to be allowed to type an inequality sign. So what we'll have to do instead is change that to an equal sign and say y is equal to a fraction by hitting the division button, negative 4x plus 49, all divided by 7. Now, what I notice here is that this graph in Desmos crosses the y-axis at 7, and that matches up with what we have in the given problem. But it crosses the x-axis at 12.25, and you'll notice that our line crosses at 4. And so I feel pretty confident that G is not the correct answer, but I'm going to go ahead and try J just to make sure. So I have 7x plus 4y is less than 28. In order to solve this 4y, we're going to subtract 7x on both sides so that it becomes negative 7x plus 28, and then divide both sides of the inequality by 4. Negative 7x plus 28, all divided by 4. And so if we come to Desmos to graph that line, again, remember that when we do that, we'll have to trade the inequality symbol for an equal sign, and then we will put negative 7x plus 28, all divided by 4. What we notice now is that this line crosses the x and the y axis in the correct spots, just like our line on the problem, and so therefore we feel very confident that letter J is the correct answer.